HP Reveal App Tutorial. First, open your HP Reveal app. Click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner and prepare to take a picture of what you want your trigger image to be. Green indicates good photo quality. Hit the blue button, and once you have your trigger image, you're going to select an overlay, which is on the device. So any video footage that you have in your camera roll, you're going to tap Use. Now you're going to name your aura or overlay. Once you've named your overlay, you get to position your overlay by resizing the digital content on your trigger image. And the last step is to name your experience and share it. Once you save it, you choose a channel to publish it to. Always choose the public channel unless you want it private. Now open your app and scan it and test it out.